time to do a new luminary for November. Now I did this, the pumpkins and the ghost for Halloween. I was trying to find different turkey designs to see what I could do, and I came up with this. Time to go and see how it works on my wood.
Laying out my design for my Thanksgiving luminaries. Now my lanterns are 17.5 inches tall. So I've got to leave some space on the top. So I used my handy dandy Sharpie to keep an inch up here. And then I needed a couple inches down at the bottom. Next step is to double face tape 3 more boards so I can do both lanterns at once. That'll make it an inch total thickness, which I can do pretty easily on my scroll saw.